Hello, Helen. Hello, Helen. Yeah. Well, if you got one of these, as it's like a little adapter that fits in the headphone jack. It's got like three rings around it, and I sent you a link for an iRig one, which is about £3 on eBay. I picked this one up on eBay years ago, and he does the job. It's not perfect because it's an analog device, so it's not the best, but it's cheap and cheerful for practicing purposes, not for recording really. But anyway, so if I'm using my old iPhone, which has a headphone jack here, just here. So I know the new models of iPhones don't have they don't have headphone jacks, do they? You have to use the Lightning or Bluetooth or whatever. So you might have to get a Lightning adapter for a headphone jack. So a female headphone jack, a Lightning adapter. They're about £6, I think, roughly. The proper ones are Apple ones. Okay, so that goes in there, like so. And then you got an input here for guitar, which is this one here. So this is a lead for your guitar. So you hopefully you got a guitar lead for your electric guitar, which is a 3.5. No, sorry, it's 6.5. 6.5, sorry. And that goes in there into the input. And then you can either wear headphones. You've got a little headphone jack here. So you can wear headphones with that. And then you can, or I'm just using this for demo reasons. I can put this to my amplifier. So it's got out here. So that this would go into my amplifier. So the guitar's in this side and the amplifier's on that side, and that's in the headphone jack. Okay, so next thing we need to do, say, well, I pretend that I've got this through headphones, but I'm going to just use it on amplifier for at the moment. Okay, so we go into GarageBand, and I'm guessing you've got GarageBand on your iPhone, and if not, just download it. I think it's free. So we go into iPhone. Sorry, go into GarageBand. What am I talking about? And then we, as if we were going to start a new recording, for instance. So you might start afresh now. So I'm going to put that in, and then it's a little plus at the right hand corner there, top right hand corner. And then you find amplifiers, which should be that one. So you press that. Okay, and you've got a choice of amplifiers now. And they range from sort of like jazz sort of kind of guitar style, which is this small brown face, and the clean amp, for instance, which is sort of more suitable for probably what you're doing actually. But there's like old sort of rockabilly type of amps, and probably a Marshall for heavy stuff if you were doing that kind of thing. So you have a choice of effects here in this top right hand corner here. You'll see the little effects pedal motif. So go into that, and then you can choose, you can add effects to it, whatever. You can play around with it. Got so many effects here. Well, they're not the most amazing ones. I mean, there are dedicated apps out there that do the same thing. But to be honest, this is probably a good thing.